What if I told you giving away free content will help you sell more ebooks? It sounds backward, right? Well, I know. Most people will think if I teach people for free, why would they buy my ebook? But honestly, I have to tell you this. Making content is one of the most important marketing tools that you can use to sell your ebook faster. Allow me to explain. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have created an ebook before or you are planning to create one, I'm sure you must have asked yourself this question before. How do I get people to buy my ebook? Well, I must tell you, the answer is not by posting your sales link every day. It is by creating valuable free content that builds trust and that also makes people want to learn more. In this video, I will explain why free content helps sell more ebooks and how you can use this strategy effectively. Think about your own buying decision. Would you buy from someone you've never heard of? Probably not. Most people only buy after they have seen several videos from you and believe you know what you're talking about. That is what free content does. Every post, every video you post is another opportunity to build credibility. Instead of saying trust me, you are showing people why they can trust you. I know that many people worry if they share a lot, nobody will buy their ebook again. But here is the reality. Your free content should answer simple questions, while your ebook, on the other hand, should provide a complete system. For example, you can make a free content about the common mistakes that beginners make, and in your ebook, you include a step-by-step process to avoid the common beginner mistakes and how to achieve specific results. You are not giving away everything, right? You are only giving people enough value to see that your paid project is worth exploring. I would like you to understand this. Not everyone who watches your videos will become a customer, and that is absolutely okay. Your goal is not to convince everyone. Your goal is to attract the people who already want the solution that you offer. When you create videos or content around a particular topic, people who are interested in that topic naturally begin following you. And those are the people that are most likely to buy your ebooks. One video probably won't change someone's mind, I have to be honest with you. But if you make 10 helpful videos, or at least 20 videos, now you already know your name. They are already conversant with your teaching style. They have seen you provide value over time. That familiarity often builds trust, and as you know, trust leads to sales. Consistency is one of the advantages that you have as a digital creator. One mistake that many creators make is turning every content into an advertisement. You don't do that. Instead of doing that, focus on helping people, teach something useful, solve a small problem and answer a common question. Then, at the end of the video, you can simply mention that your ebook goes into greater detail. This approach feels more natural and helps build natural and long-term relationships with your audience. Every video you upload becomes another opportunity for more viewers to discover your content. If you post a video today, that video could bring more viewers months from now. And if those viewers find value in your content, some of them will naturally become customers. So instead of thinking about making one sales today, why don't you think about building a library of helpful content that continues working for you over time? That is one of the biggest advantages of being a digital creator. If you are interested in learning how to create, market, and profit from your own ebook, I've put together a complete guide that walks you through the entire process. You can check the link in the description to learn more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical tips on digital products and online businesses. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.